Welcome, welcome. So, I just got my wig in the mail from HairViVi. So excited. So I'm gonna do an unboxing with you guys. So they shipped it via DHL. And it's funny because back in the day, when I used to buy my hair, I mean, not that I don't anymore, but I haven't really bought any hair. But back in the day, when I used to buy my hair, I bought my hair from AliExpress, and they actually use DHL. So as I was saying, sorry about that, I used to buy my hair from AliExpress, and they actually use DHL. So I don't know why I always like DHL better. I just feel like I never had any drama with them. They would text me, email me, give me updates. So first, this is how it looks. Okay. Hi. Now, I wanted to try this company because they, oh, I don't want to mess it up. Their wigs come pre-plucked and their knots are bleached. And if you don't have time, if you don't know how, if you're lazy, if you just can't get it right, like me, then this is definitely something you want to try. So, this paper, please do not cut the lace until you are fully pleased with your purchase. We gladly offer the exchange and return services to the item unwoven, unwashed, unaltered, undamaged, and in the original package within 7 days after receiving. Customers are responsible for the return shipping fee. For more details, blah, 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 choose your reason code. So this is for if you don't like the hair. Okay, before I look at the hair, they gave, ooh, I needed one of these. Toni and Guy. Ooh. Hey, this is a comb from Toni and Guy. We have this Toni and Guy clip. Sorry. Okay. And they also give you a beige wig cap. And then this says, HairViVi, love her, she loves you back. Wash hair twice a week, keep it clean, look new to look new and bouncy. Run your fingers through her. Da 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 da. This is cute. You can't really see with the lighting, but it's copper. It's really pretty. Aww. Okay. Okay, so first, let's look at, ooh, it feels good. Nice and silky. It smells washed, like they wash it with some cheap shampoo, which I'm here for that. I'd rather it smell like that than some corn nuts. It smells good. Oh, never mind, I'm tripping. Maybe that was the packaging smell. No, I lied. It smells really good. Ooh. Mmm. Ooh, it's soft. Soft and silky. Okay, so I love this color. It's an ombre. And hope you can see the knots are bleached. And as far as the pre-plucking, I'm gonna grab my wig head so I can show you. Now I have a bun, so that's not gonna work. But this is just the unboxing. I'll probably put it on, do a part 2 to this video, or add it on to this video. Yes, I love these knots. Look at that. Here, let me see. Make sure I can show you guys. Now that I know, oops, I didn't mean to mess with that. Now that I know that they will allow you to do, here we go, exchanges and refunds. I will be back. I will definitely be, here's a better look at the color. And even the color is nice. It blends. Ooh. Ooh. And I wanted mine like a little bob. Yes, come through. I'm excited. See, here's my, so of course you can pluck it some more. And the, let's see, it goes all the way back. I don't know how many inches this is, but it's a little bit more than your average front lace. Yeah. So from here all the way, I don't know if you guys want me to measure that or not. See how far that goes back? Bomb. I'm so excited. Like, I just want to throw this on my bun so bad. I might try it on tonight. Hold on, let me grab my wig head. So here's my wig head. That's bomb. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So excited. I was nervous about the color. Yeah, I have to try it on. I have to try this on. Oh, and it comes with a, this is free. They actually sew it on for you. It comes with 1 comb, 2 combs on the side, no combs up front, like some wigs. And it actually has a longer comb right here. So you see how these are the normal size? But this one's longer for the back, so that is bomb. Okay. What is that? That's weird. What was that? Oh, that's my hair. Okay, one more time. I'm gonna use this comb. And this is without anything. Here we go. So you can see. Alright guys, so that is the unboxing of my HairViVi wig. Oh, sorry, one more thing. So this was 150 density. So when it's like, oh, yeah, I guess I should take this out. And then if I were to put it in a ponytail, but for this length, which I believe this is 14 inches, but I'll have the details below and the name of the wig and the model number. But I'm highly satisfied. I may even add some blonde highlights. If I do, of course, I will show you guys. But I am so happy right about now. Like, yes. So you can actually, one more thing I forgot to mention, is you can actually tighten. You can actually, no. So my friends, you could tighten hers, but mine you can't. So I wonder if they must have different bands. Good to know. Because my friends, hers have like a little snappy. I don't know if it's called a snappy, but you could tighten it. And it also has their logo on the band. That's cute. So granted, this was me just throwing it on. You can, it still has these to tighten it. I would obviously have to have my hair going all the way back. This is a small cap, which to me fits perfect. I wouldn't want it any bigger. And I don't know if I mentioned that there's a middle comb as well. So there's 3 combs up front. 1, 2, 3. And you see how much space this has. And then the big comb in the back. Alright guys, well, either add to this video, show some pictures. We'll see. But thanks guys so much for watching. Bye!